Day 9 update. Wow. Like, literally, wow. Overnight. All of them have tons of feathers. They're getting closer and closer to fledgling status, and this is only day 9. They're kind of hiding from me. They had their heads up a second ago. At least the one right there did. But then when I brought the camera up, he tucked himself in. But all I can say is, wow, what a difference overnight. The feathers grew so fast. I don't think I've ever seen them grow that fast. I have seen them fledge out pretty quick, but that was quick compared to yesterday. You literally could see their bare heads yesterday. And now they have feathers. Amazing. Day 9 update.